Hello, how are you?
I am great, thank you. Your name is Daniel, right?
Yes, it is. Ramzan?
Yes, Ramzan. So actually, I was reading your profile, and there I found that you are a musician and you love to
Yes.
play music, right?
Yes, indeed. And yourself?
Yes, actually, I am a software professional, but I had the goal that I will be a musician long time ago, but because of my parental pressure, I couldn't able to choose this as a career. But now I'm also interested to start this thing. So yes, you will be guiding me.
Sure. Yeah. Let me give you some advice, Ramzan. If
Yeah.
you want to be poor and constantly struggling, become a musician and a teacher. Two of the lowest paying careers in existence.
So you mean that being a musician?
Being a musician pays very, very low. However,
Uh-huh.
spiritually, socially, productively, best thing ever.
But I am also actually I am singing too.
Okay. What song are you going to sing for me today?
There are a lot of couple of songs, but maybe you're not able to understand my tone of voice because
That's fine.
those all are from my own language.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. What does music, how does it help you? How does it affect you?
Actually, whenever I try to uh, listen or maybe sing the song, so at that moment, I totally involved in the different world. You can see that I become more fresh. I have kind of if we have any kind of depression or something like that, so everything has been removed from my mind, and only I involved in the different world.
Exactly. That's what music does for me. Okay. Music allows my soul
Uh-huh.
to escape my body
Yes, that is
and
right.
return.
So you mean that we forget everything and only involve in that moment, present moment.
Exactly.
And in most of the cases, people are also suggesting us this, that be in present moment rather than thinking about your future or maybe past.
Exactly.
Because we always
Exactly.
worry about these two things, we suffer a lot.
Hmm. Exactly. Exactly. That's what music does for me. So,
Yes.
you're from India? Is that
Yes, I'm
right?
from India. So your profession is this musician, or you are doing something else for living?
Well, I'm a music teacher and I supplement my income by teaching English on Cambly. So, before the pandemic, I was a performer. I traveled all over the world and, earned money playing music.
So you
Very, very hard to accomplish these days after the pandemic and et cetera, et cetera. So I'm a teacher from home. Hmm.
okay? So you mean that you was with a specific band, or we can call it like an event, where there are singers and all, and you are in that team, right?
Yes, more or less. I mean, I worked more as a solo musician because it was simpler to earn money, practice, etc. But yeah, I've played with a bunch of bands just as a singer or a guitarist.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So which music you play? You have a guitar or piano or what? Keyboard?
I have a ukulele.
So just play the best music which you have done before.
What style of music would you like to hear? American music or Latin music?
Maybe the best one according to you, because I exactly the type.
Okay, I'll play a song. I'll play a song for you by Elizabeth Cotton.
Uh-huh.
She was a blues musician from the U.S., African American.
Okay.
All right. Blues is all about failure, sadness, just not succeeding. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Have a little song, won't take long. Sing it once or twice. Oh, Lordy me, wouldn't I shake sugary? Everything I have is dead and gone. Everything I have is dead and gone. Pawn my watch, pawn my chain, pawn everything that's in my name. Oh, Lordy me, wouldn't I shake sugary? Everything I have is dead and gone. Everything I have is dead and gone. Okay, just a little excerpt.
Best skill you have, because there are a lot of people who get frustrated and have different things in their life, but you make them relax.
Well, and that's what's beautiful about music. I mean, this song is about having nothing,
Yes.
right? Everything I have is dead and gone. However, we can somehow make that feeling beautiful.
Yes, correct.
And that's what I love about music, you know?
Yes, it's awesome.
What about your best song?
My best song, actually, I was listening one Billie Eilish song.
A
So
what?
Billie Eilish.
Will you write that for me? What'd you say?
Yes. She is a singer, Billie Eilish.
Oh, Billie Eilish. Okay, yeah. Billie
Yeah.
Eilish. What do you like about her?
Actually, her song was one of the best song which I was watching few days before. So, so maybe do you heard her song?
I've heard some of her songs. Yeah, which one are you thinking of?
I forget the name actually, but that was one of the best. I mean, that was like we forget everything and just focus on the present moment.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
that is Billie Eilish, Khalid Lovely.
Khalid Lovely.
Oh, wait a minute, I'm just sending you the name. So this is the name, and
Okay, lovely.
this was the link.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, she's kind of spooky. Do you know what I mean?
No, what is that?
Spooky. Strange, frightening.
Yes, she's more relaxed and live in their own world, in her own world.
Uh-huh. Exactly. Oh wow, we have 17 seconds. Ramza, it's been a pleasure to speak with you. I would love to hear you sing and play.
Yes, sure. In the next time, I will definitely do the same.
Yes, even in your native language, no problem. Music is the universal language.
Sure.
Thank
Thank
you
you.